Electrocution incident. What happened? Well, there are direct and indirect causes of this incident. Direct cause: direct contact with live electrical component or an electrical fault. Root causes: inadequate training on electrical safety precautions, lack of proper grounding or insulation of equipment, failure to conduct regular inspections of electrical systems, improper maintenance of welding equipment leading to electrical fault, lack of awareness or disregard for safety protocols, not using insulated gloves and boots, working in wet conditions. Remember, all accidents are not just happened, they are causes. Thanks for watching.